What is up, everyone? I am Kyle from The Travel Runner, and I'm in lovely San Jose right now, where I'm going to be showing you the lungs of San Jose, also known as Parque La Sabana. So let's go on a little run, and I'll tell you a bit about the park. Now I'm a bit away from the street. Figured I could tell you a bit about the park. So there is around a 4 kilometer, about 2.5 mile sidewalk that goes around the outside. That's excellent. Just trying to get like a speed workout or just an easy run, either one. But within the park, there are tons of trails like this. So they wind and weave throughout the park. There's some paved, some dirt. So you kind of have your choice on what you want to use. But you will not be the only runner here, I can assure you that. Yesterday morning I was here, so at least 100 runners. And then today I've probably seen a handful, less than yesterday. But no, you won't be alone. So, which isn't a bad thing. So they even have a track. If you're someone who wants to get a speed workout in, or just prefers tracks, to be honest with you. There's a lovely blue track right here. It goes around in the middle, and on the inside of it is actually, I believe, a rollerblading rink. Apologies for the weed whackers, but they gotta keep this place clean. But so yeah, if you want a speed workout, this would be the place to do it. There's a few interesting things about this park. One, it started off as a park back in the, I believe it was the early 1900s, like it is now, aiming to be the lungs of San Jose, like I mentioned in the beginning. But they then, in like the 1960s or 1970s, decided they wanted it to be their first international airport, so it then became that. That is now located outside the city. So when that left, they decided to make it the lungs of San Jose again. Start planting all these trees, shrubbery, lots of interesting stuff to help people escape the city life and get more nature in the middle of a city. So pretty neat. Not quite sure what these are. To me, they look like a set of testicles. So, this area is the lungs of San Jose. These gotta be the testicles of San Jose, right? Maybe that's just my stupid way of thinking. This out here is actually a man-made lake. Kind of a lake, I guess. It doesn't really look like it. It's like more of an overflowing puddle. But yeah, man-made lake in the middle of the park. So one thing you'll also see a lot of here is local Costa Rican families gathering, whether they're just meeting, having a picnic, getting their own exercise. So you're sure to see a lot of locals here, which is really cool. And they've all been super friendly, all saying hi when they pass, buenos dias, everything. So It's a good spot to run, I'm telling you. All right, everyone, that is going to do it for me here in Parque La Sabana in San Jose, Costa Rica. I hope you all enjoyed this. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below, and like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. This is my first YouTube video, but I'm gonna have plenty more coming your way, so stay tuned. And as always, keep running, keep traveling. See y'all next time.